Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Verizon account, simple guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Verizon's official website. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on the sign in link. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your Verizon username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the site to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After confirming your information, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as the site processes your credentials. Once logged in, you'll have access to your Verizon account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, confirm that your username and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and try again. If problems persist, consider contacting Verizon customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.